You can not only eat honey. How to use this sweetness for other purposes. Remember the legendary phrase of Winnie the Pooh, "Honey, if you have it, then it's not there right away." He was right as never before, because no one can resist this yummy. He can certainly be eaten with pancakes, bread, or even just a spoon from a jar. But you know that honey can be used for other purposes. 1. As a cure for dandruff, Mezh has an antifungal effect. It is enough to just add it a little to the shampoo or just rub it regularly into the scalp and you can forget about the unpleasant white powder and overthrow. How to use: dilute 1 tablespoon of honey with a teaspoon of water and rub this mixture into the scalp for 2 minutes. Leave on at 2 o'clock, then rinse with warm water. Repeat once every 2 days. 2. As a remedy for a hangover, do you need an ambulance to get back in shape after a loud feast? Drink ginger and honey tea on an empty stomach in the morning, and in a moment you will be like a new coin. Honey will help the body cope with the absorption of alcohol faster, and ginger will soothe the stomach and relieve nausea. How to use: dilute 1 tablespoon of honey with a teaspoon of water and rub this mixture into the scalp for 2 minutes. Leave on at 2 o'clock, then rinse with warm water. Repeat once every 2 days. 3. To clean the skin, crazy honey scrub is a magic secret for skin beauty from our grandmothers. In combination with other useful components, perfectly exfoliates the skin and saves with a dark complexion. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of soda. Slightly sprinkle the skin with water and gently wipe in a circular motion with a scrub. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. 4. The magic remedy for scars and stretch marks: it will help get rid of unpleasant red scars, and also accelerate the healing of the skin. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of coconut or olive oil. Apply to the problem area and massage with your fingertips in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Put a hot towel on the floor and leave to cool. Repeat every day. 5. The remedy against acne: it will not only remove redness and irritation of the skin, but also easily remove annoying blackheads from your face. How to use: apply honey locally to problem areas, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 6. To moisturize the skin, honey enhances the effect of saturating the skin with moisture, helping to maintain it in the lower layers of the dermis. How to use: apply 1 teaspoon of honey on the face, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse with warm water. 7. Make your cuticle soft. Not only will it help to remove a well-groomed cuticle, but it will also give beauty and health to your nails. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of natural apple cider vinegar and coconut oil. Rub into the cuticle daily, leave for 10 minutes and rinse. 8. The medicine against burns: soothes burning, disinfect your injured area and accelerate skin healing. How to use: lubricate with a thin layer of honey a household or sunburn and renew as it soaks. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.